Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dingle D, and you're watching H3 Humper. Today we'll be replacing the infamous leaking fuel injector. Let's get to it. Pop off my serpentine belt. You have to pull these green tabs out, just kind of jiggle and give them a tug and they pop off. Remove the connector. There's a little tab here that you pull in, apply some pressure, and it just pops out. This end here will be in the fuel rail, and it's secured with a metal clip. Installing the injectors into the fuel rail, and then we'll install the whole rail into the engine. I'm going to lubricate the O-rings with a little bit of motor oil so they'll slip into the fuel rail nicely. I'll make sure it's lined up well. Now I'll slip the little retaining clip on there. And I'll repeat for the remaining 4 injectors. With all 5 injectors installed, I'll go ahead and reconnect the harness, and then we can install the entire assembly onto the engine. Also gonna go ahead and lubricate each of these O-rings with more oil. I can hinge the fuel rail over towards the engine. I'm using the fuel rail bolts as a nice guide to help me get this set up in the right spot. Now that I know my fuel rail is oriented in approximately the right position, I'm going to walk over to the driver's side and exert some force to set those injectors into the head. There we go. I heard the click telling me that they're in. And now I'll torque the fuel injector rail bolts to 89 inch-pounds. Now I can reassemble and this job's done. The manual says to start with the innermost mounting bolts and work out. So I'll tighten from inside out and torque to 89 inch-pounds. And with a nice clean throttle body, you can go ahead and reinstall. Tighten these throttle body mounting bolts to 89 inch-pounds. And reconnect the throttle control module harness, the vacuum line. Reinstall the intake tubing. And reconnect the PCV hose. Now I can resecure the generator bolts to 37 foot-pounds, reinstall the serpentine belt, and there's how to change the injectors on an H3 Hummer. I hope you found the video helpful. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.